Hey there, race fans. Your pal NASCAR19 here to the power of racing. Well, it is time to do the Sunday reaction. Well, the Sunday reaction is a Psycho Dad Chainsaws Xbox One. Wow, this is my favorite Majorganaga Psycho video. This is kind of funny. He was trying to prank on revenge on his father when he did on Halloween last year. And suddenly, when Dad flips out in the cage, he told him it was on and violence in video games for the Master Chief helmet or something. Yeah. So let's get this started. It's created by McJuggerNugget. So let's get this Sunday reaction started in 3, 2, 1, play.
Alright, it's on.
I have the chainsaw. When you guys pranked me on Halloween with the ketchup and shit,
Okay.
I want to get that back.
What are you gonna do?
I'm doing the same thing you guys did.
They have a chain on. He's not gonna
Just have to film it.
Alright.
scare his father. You have to take the chains off first, and that way you can scare.
Ketchup? You keep it in. Sorry. I'm not gonna. He's gonna be so pleased with that.
Okay, but it's not the same thing, man.
Okay. No. Just also fast. Put this much on the lights. We're just okay.
What?
His face, he's almost gonna get mad at Jeffrey. Okay. Alright, so I need a light on now. I can see my face. And it froze. Are you kidding? It froze, and then was he trying to start the chainsaw on? Great. Oh, here we go.
Oh, shit.
Oh no.
I didn't know the police were on. I'm trying to get you back in the prank. I didn't know they were on. That's the violence in video games, isn't it?
Wait, what? A fight with the video games?
Yeah, that's what you think of when I tell you people don't do this stuff. You can't do
Oh no, he's putting the psycho hat on.
in your video. Where are you going? Dad, in your
He
video.
asked me to.
What are you doing? Look,
Oh, what's he gonna do?
I'm trying to get revenge, right? Please don't go in my room. Dad, there's a lot of stuff in here that you have no right to touch. Alright? Where's the video games? You shredded them all!
Why did he have video games for?
You're there 24/7. You're going to your room and you hide in your room. I sleep and I watch TV. I don't play anymore. I don't play toys. Where do you destroy them all?
Well, actually, a lot of them are digital now, so they might go into Xbox.
Digital?
So where are they? He's just trying to get good video. He's just
His
trying to
Xbox is right there.
Jeffrey!
Oh, what?
That's the Xbox One, Dad! No,
What is he doing?
Dad!
Oh god.
What the fuck are you Dad?
Oh my god.
What are you doing? Dad, you're not touching this. You're not.
What?
Get away. What is that?
Wait, what is he doing? Oh, don't do it. Are you kidding me? What the hell was wrong with you? I can't believe it. He almost cut the chainsaw. Oh my god, are you serious? What did he do that for? Are you kidding me?
What the fuck's he doing?
Oh no, not the sledgehammer.
Holy shit!
What the hell? Oh my god, look at the table.
Holy shit!
Oh my god. Why did he do that for? And it froze. Oh, okay. And the. Oh my gosh, please stop frozen. What? Okay. Oh my god. I can't believe your father destroyed your Xbox One. Are you serious? I need my light.
Little Swiss Family Jesse over here.
Is he hiding in the treehouse?
Hey, buddy.
Fuck out of here! Get that light out of my face!
Hey, it's okay.
Is he crying?
Halo Master Chief Collection comes out in 1 hour, and I'm not gonna be able to play.
Is Jeffrey laughing at Jesse? And you dropped your Master Chief helmet.
Alright, it's off, it's off. What's up, man? It's
It was
okay.
off. Oh my god! Oh my god. I can't believe that Psycho Dad destroys his son's Xbox One with the chainsaw and the sledgehammer. What an idiot. Oh my god, guys. I can't believe him. I can't believe he just did that. Because he was trying to get revenge on his father and then he just destroys his video game? What in the hell is going on with him? He's got like anger problems or something that he loves to destroy something because he always wears a psycho hat on it all the time because he gets upset. Oh my god. Jesse from the Jugger Nuggets, I hope you get revenge on your father that way. If he won't destroy your Xbox again. Okay, Jesse? Rich Ray? Just get revenge on him, please. Revenge on your father and good luck. We all count on you. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Psycho Dad Chainsaw Xbox One reaction that I watched. So, like, subscribe, favorite, write the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and get some great viewers. Yes. So, anyway, I'm Kyle Harris, aka DonutsCarter101, and thanks for watching the reaction on Sunday. We'll feature for tomorrow morning or afternoon. I promise I will upload tomorrow morning. So, keep it ready, guys. I love you. Have a great night. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Keep it ready.